Have you ever bought something exciting, only to have it break within days? Let's see what happened when my brand new phone started failing. I remember the day it arrived. The package was sitting at my front door. It was a sunny afternoon. I had just come back from work. I saw the box, and my heart jumped with excitement. I tore it open, like a child on their birthday. The packaging was beautiful, white and clean. I lifted the lid slowly, savoring the moment. The box was sleek, the phone inside looked perfect. I held it in my hands and smiled. This was my new phone. The screen was dark and glossy, like a mirror. I could see my own reflection in it. I turned it over to look at the back. The camera lenses stared back at me. Everything felt premium and well made. But I had no idea what was coming next. Tom, look, my new phone finally arrived. I'm so excited to set it up.
Nice. How does it feel compared to your old one?
So much faster already. The screen is beautiful too.
Is the display bigger than your old one?
Yes, slightly. It makes a big difference when watching videos. The colors are so bright and clear, I can see everything perfectly.
Looks great. Enjoy your new phone. What color did you get in the end?
I went with the dark blue. It looks almost black in low light.
Good choice. That color is very popular this year.
Thanks, Tom. I have been waiting for this for weeks.
I know you have. You deserve it after saving up for so long.
I am going to transfer all my data tonight.
Just make sure you back everything up first.
Good point. I will do that before I start.
Also, make sure your old phone is fully charged before you transfer.
I will charge both phones overnight, just to be safe.
Smart. A half-finished transfer is a nightmare.
Tell me about it. I had that happen once before. Tom, my phone just froze completely. The screen won't respond at all.
That's strange for a brand new phone. Did you try restarting it?
Yes, I held the power button for 10 seconds. It finally turned back on.
Did it work normally after the restart?
It seems fine for now, but I lost what I was working on.
That's frustrating. Hopefully it was just a one-time glitch.
I really hope so too. I don't want problems with a new phone.
Keep using it today and see if it happens again.
That's what I plan to do. I will let you know. It's happening again. The screen just froze, and now it restarted on its own.
That's the second time today. Maybe there's a real problem with it.
This time I was not even doing anything demanding. I was just reading an article.
That makes it even more suspicious. It should not freeze during light use.
I think so too. It also got very hot while it was frozen.
That's concerning. New phones should not overheat like that.
I am worried this might get worse over time.
You should keep a record of how many times it happens.
Good idea. I will note the time and what I was doing each time.
If it keeps happening, you should return it.
You are right. I paid good money for this phone. The battery is also draining so fast. It went from full to 20% in 3 hours.
That's definitely not normal for a new phone. My phone lasts a full day with heavy use.
I barely used it. I just installed a few apps and sent some messages. I did not watch any videos or play any games.
Something is wrong with the hardware or the battery itself.
I think I need to take this back to the store.
Good idea. Do you still have the receipt and the box?
Yes, I kept everything just in case something like this happened.
Smart thinking. When did you buy it exactly?
6 days ago. I remember because it was last Tuesday.
Most stores have a 14 or 30-day return policy.
I think their return policy is 14 days for regular items.
Then you should be completely fine. Let's go tomorrow. I checked their website. They have a specific policy for defective items.
Really? That is good to know.
Yes, manufacturer's defects are covered for 30 days.
Are you free in the morning? I want to go early to avoid the crowd.
I can go with you at 10 o'clock if that works.
Perfect. I will put the phone, the box, and the receipt in my bag tonight.
Prepare everything you need so we are not rushing in the morning.
I am also going to write down the dates and times when it froze.
That will help if they ask for proof of the problem.
Hi, I bought this phone 6 days ago, and it keeps freezing and restarting.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have your receipt with you?
Yes, right here. I'd like to exchange it for a working one, please.
Let me check the system first to see what we can do.
We have all the original accessories and the box too.
I see the purchase in our system. Give me a moment to review the details.
Take your time. I just want this resolved properly.
I see the purchase. However, our return policy requires the original packaging to be unopened.
That doesn't make sense. How would I even use the phone without opening the box?
I understand your frustration, but that's our store policy for returns.
But I opened the box to use the phone. That is what normal people do.
I understand, but I cannot make exceptions to the policy.
Can I speak with someone who has more authority to handle this?
Let me review your case once more before I escalate it.
This is not a regular return. This phone is defective. It freezes multiple times a day and the battery drains in 3 hours.
I understand. Let me check if there is a separate policy for defective items.
I think this falls under a different policy, not a regular return.
Let me check with my manager about that. One moment, please.
Thank you. I just want a phone that actually works properly.
I understand completely. Please wait here while I speak with her.
Stay calm, Sarah. I'm sure this will get sorted out.
I'm trying to stay calm, but this is frustrating.
I know, but getting angry will not help the situation.
You are right. I will stay polite, but I will not back down.
That is the right attitude. You have every right to ask for a replacement.
Hi, I understand there's an issue with a recent phone purchase.
Yes, my phone keeps freezing and restarting on its own, multiple times a day.
I'm sorry to hear that. Defective products are handled differently from regular returns.
That's what I thought. I just wanted exchanged for a working phone.
Of course. Let me check your receipt and the purchase details first.
Here is everything: the receipt, the box, and all the accessories.
Thank you. I can see you purchased it 6 days ago.
Yes, and the problems started on the very first day. I tried to ignore them at first. I thought they would go away.
That is a common reaction, but you did the right thing by coming in. Let me run a quick diagnostic test on the phone first if that's okay.
Of course, go ahead. I want this confirmed properly.
This will only take a few minutes. There is a built-in diagnostic tool we use.
Take your time. We just want this resolved fairly.
I understand completely. I will hook the phone up to our system now.
Please do. I want a professional to confirm what I have been experiencing.
While we wait, can I ask how long you have worked here?
About 5 years now. I have seen many cases like this.
So you know exactly what to look for in the diagnostic.
Yes, I can tell you right away the results are clear. The diagnostic confirms a hardware issue with the battery and the processor.
So it really is defective, not something I did wrong?
Correct. This is a manufacturing defect, not user error.
Can you explain what exactly failed in the diagnostic?
The battery is reporting unstable voltage levels and the processor has intermittent errors.
Thank you for confirming that. I was worried I might have caused the problem.
Not at all. The test results are very clear. This is not your fault.
Can I get a replacement now?
Absolutely. I apologize for the confusion at the counter earlier.
I appreciate you taking the time to actually look into it properly.
Of course, the clerk should have known the difference between a regular return and a defective product return.
Thank you for handling this so fairly.
It is my job to make sure customers are treated properly.
I will remember this. You treated me with respect and that matters.
Let's get you a brand new unit right away.
Here's your replacement phone, same model, brand new in the box.
Thank you. Before I leave, could I test it here first this time?
Of course, that's a smart idea. Let me set it up for you.
I just want to make sure this one actually works before I go home.
I completely understand. After what you went through, I would do the same.
Can we turn it on and test the screen, the camera, and the speakers?
Absolutely. Let me take it out of the box and power it on.
I want to watch the setup process carefully this time.
That is perfectly reasonable. I will guide you through every step.
The screen responds quickly, no freezing so far.
Let's leave it running for a few minutes to be sure.
Good idea. I don't want to deal with this problem twice.
I can install a few apps and run a quick performance test too.
That would be great. Please test the battery performance as well.
Give me about 5 minutes, and I will have the results for you.
I will wait right here. I am in no hurry this time.
The phone is stable. No freezing, no unusual heating, and the battery is normal.
That is a huge relief. Thank you for testing it so thoroughly. Did you notice any lag or slow response while testing?
None at all. The performance is exactly what it should be. It is the least I can do after the trouble earlier.
I appreciate that. I feel much better about this phone now. I was nervous about getting another phone from the same model.
I understand, but most of these phones work perfectly fine.
I hope this one lasts for years.
With proper care, it should. Enjoy your new phone.
Wonderful. Again, I'm sorry for the trouble at the start.
It's okay, I just appreciate that it got resolved properly in the end.
You handled this very professionally. Thank you for your help.
If anything happens again, please come back and ask for me directly.
I will do that. Thank you for giving me your name.
You are very welcome. Have a great day, both of you.
Thank you again. I feel relieved now.
I am glad we could fix this for you. Goodbye.
That actually went pretty well once the manager got involved. I was worried for a moment when the clerk said no.
Me too, my heart was beating fast. It did, but I had to be firm at the counter at first.
You handled it really calmly, even when that clerk gave you trouble.
Thank you, I just kept reminding myself, this is a fair request.
That is the key. Knowing your rights makes a big difference.
I almost lost my temper when he said I needed the box unopened.
But you did not. You stayed polite and asked for the manager.
I learned something important today about standing up for my rights as a customer. If I had just accepted the first answer, I would have left with a broken phone and no solution.
Definitely. Staying calm but firm really made the difference here.
Next time something like this happens, I will know exactly what to say.
And you will have a receipt and a box ready just in case.
I will also keep a record of the problems from day one. That way, if there's a next time, I have proof ready.
That was smart. The manager respected you for having everything documented.
A faulty phone taught me that staying calm but firm gets results even when the first answer is no. I also learned to always keep my receipt and the original box. And to document every problem as soon as it happens. So tell me, have you ever had to return something broken? How did it go? Tell me in the comments section down below. And subscribe to this channel for more stories about real-life situations. See you in the next story. Take care.